Vegetable spring rolls are as delicious as the ones with meat. To succeed them, you have to mix consistent ingredients such as tofu, taro, and glazed noodles with crunchy vegetables such as bean sprouts, black fungus, and carrots. Here are the ingredients for 30 spring rolls. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Beforehand, soak 15 grams of black fungus for 1 hour. Also soak 50 grams of glazed noodles while preparing the other ingredients. Cut 100 grams of firm tofu into small cubes. Put them in a mixing bowl. Mince an onion. Rinse the black fungus and drain them. Remove their food. Finely mince them. Add 100 grams of bean sprouts, 250 grams of taro in julienne, 100 grams of grated carrots. Cut the drained glazed noodles into sections. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Also add 2 eggs. Combine all together. The stuffing is ready. Now, prepare the dipping sauce. Put in a bowl 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 hot chili, mix all together. To make the spring rolls, put hot water in a large bowl. Spread a dry cloth on the worktop. Quickly dip a rice paper in the water, then lay it on the cloth. Put 1 tablespoon of stuffing at 3 centimeters from the bottom of the rice paper. Flap both sides towards the center. Both sides must be straight and parallel. Tightly roll it up. If in the middle of the confection some juice appears in the stuffing, it must be drained. We must avoid making the rice paper too wet. The risk would be to see the spring rolls crack during the cooking. To make the spring rolls crispy, we will fry them twice. For the first cooking, put them in an oil heated at 320 degrees for 5 minutes. Remove them and let them cool. At this stage, we can freeze them. For the second cooking, fry in oil at 350 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove them as soon as they are golden brown. Enjoy them while they are crispy. Bon appétit! We can wrap each spring roll in a leaf of salad with herbs such as cilantro and mint. Don't forget to dip them in the sauce. Vegetable spring rolls are so crispy, and the taro brings a delicious flavor. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.